In this repair video, we're going to be working on a Lenovo Yoga that came in for a damaged charging port, charging connector. Let's take a look under the microscope and see where that damage is. Oh yeah, right there. Look at this. The charging port and the connector next to it are actually one whole long connector. We did order that connector, and we're going to be replacing that connector on the board right here. We got this board a couple of days ago, and today we got the connector. So let's go ahead and replace it, and we'll test and make sure the laptop is working right there. So let's see what's involved in replacing this connector. So the visible lugs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna have lugs under the connector here, probably on the sides. A lot of things to desolder. Let's flip the board and see what's going on back of the board. Yeah, we have a lot of pins to solder. Look at this. We most likely have to solder all those pins. This. Let's begin, because if we do not start, we're not going to finish. So without wasting too much time, I need to grab low melt solder, and we need to apply flux. And up to this day, people still ask, which flux are you using? Look at the last video I posted, PS5. People are still asking, what flux do you use? Probably new viewers to the channel. It's Amtech 559. We are one of the major resellers of Amtech Flux. We buy directly from the factory. And currently we are out of stock until Monday. We're going to get the Flux on Monday in a couple of days. And I mentioned it in the last two videos also. Fume extractor on. Okay, and we're gonna have to apply low melt solder over here. All we have to do is apply a little bit of heat, and we should be able to pull that connector off the board. Let me do this so you can see. And that connector is out right here. Look at that wick. Best wick in the market. And I'm applying the slightest pressure. Okay, yeah, we should be all good here. And flip the board. And I think we missed one pad here. Very nice. Now all we have to do is put the connector in and solder it. Okay, so I got the connector in. I want to make sure all the pins are in. Let's go under the microscope. This one is in. They're all in. All in. And all in. This one is in. This one is in. A lot of pins. So let's go ahead and secure some of those pins so the connector does not fall out. If you noticed, I'm pressing on that connector on the board. Look at this. I am pressing down on it. So the connector is sandwiched between the bench and the top board. We do not want to let go until we solder a few pins. Beautiful. And now I'm going to apply a big solder blob here. And that's why the Amtech 559 is amazing. Look at that. I'm gonna go over them one more time. And we want to make sure that this is a better than factory job. Amazing. Better than factory. And we're gonna have to apply some flux here to make sure that we have good joints, because like I always say, flux is king. Look at that nice joint. And this one is already done. Let's clean up and then we're gonna admire the work. Look at that. That's what we did. All right. I'm gonna give this to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back. Okay, so Big Boss reassembled the tablet, and he did confirm that the tablet is working, but I just want to do it on camera so we can finish this video. Big Boss already left, and I called to ask him where he put the charger, because this is ours, and I have it right here. Let me plug it in. So if you look here, that's the port that we soldered, this whole thing here. We're gonna go ahead and plug the charging cable. It goes in perfect, and power it on. Booting up. Let's wait. So we can tell that the battery is being charged. If we disconnect, you see how the screen dimmed. And if we connect the charging cable again, the screen is bright again, and we see the battery logo on the bottom that the battery is being charged. That's it. We're gonna call the customer to come and pick up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.